One other thing that we want to show you is how to make your own layer. If I go back to Nebraska, and I'm going to clean some of this stuff off. Uncheck YouTube. So let's say that you want to make your own file. You can type in different landmarks. So here's Scottsbluff National Monument. So here, if you go up and click on the push pin, you can put that place mark wherever you want, name it, maybe you want to zoom in a little bit more, and then you can put any information here that you want students to know. You can put in web links here, copy and paste a document. You click on the yellow push pin, you can change that to whatever color you want. Maybe you want to use a park one, and then click OK, and click OK here. So now it's down here. Oops. Now you can drag it. If I can find it, here it is. Drag it down here to your places. I'm going to put it in this temporary places folder. See, it's there. So now we can type in the next place that we want to go. Do Fort Kearny. And it's not going to take us to the right one. There it is. So here's Fort Kearny State Historical Park. Temporary places. You can add a place mark. And then put in the information. Maybe zoom in a little bit more. And let's say I want to put it, I'll put the place mark right in the middle of the building there. And click OK. So now in my temporary places I have those two. And let's do one more. Do the Mormon winter quarters. And when we zoom in, see, there's the church, and here's the cemetery, and then here's the Mormon Trail Center. So I'm going to add another push pin. I'm going to put it right next to the church because you can also see the church's 3D, which is pretty neat. I'm going to change this to, we'll do the trail one. Click OK. And I'm just going to call it winter quarters. And then I would type in my information here. And then click OK. So now, under, if I make places bigger, under my temporary places here I have these three. If I have temporary places highlighted, there is a little folder down here that says Play Tour. So it's going to take me to these three in this order. So I'm going to stay here, and it's going to take me to Scottsbluff, and it'll pause for a little bit, and then it's going to take me to Fort Kearny, and it'll pause for a little bit. So you can do this for any tour you want the kids to take, and then I'll show you the last one. So now what I can do is I could save it here. I can also right click or control click on a Mac and do save place as, and then I'll call it Nebraska History Tour. going to save it to my desktop, and it's going to be in a KMZ file. I'm going to click Save. So now, let's uncheck all this. You could put this on your website, have students download the file, and then they'll automatically have those there. It didn't show up. Now if I double click on Nebraska History Tour, even with Google Earth open, you can see it shows up here. It shows you the 3 different places, and you can play the tour from there.